Back here with the green Hornet, I've got some more Luxe Auto Concepts tint pieces to show you guys. So we're going to do an install on the taillight and the rear reflectors, get the rest of the lights blacked out on the green Hornet. Spent the whole day cleaning it. It's covered in mud. It's a long story. I ended up having to go down a muddy dirt road. That was real fun. Let's check out these pieces, show you what comes in the kit. So you're going to get this green applicator. It's real soft, so it's not going to scratch your car either. Be a little sticker. Not sure if you're going to use that or not. I won't, but you get a sticker. Bottle of prep. Now you're also going to use this in conjunction with Windex and rubbing alcohol. This will be the last thing that you put on. Give you a nice microfiber towel. And of course, you get your tint pieces. These are the pieces for the rear tail lights. These are the pieces for the rear reflectors. They come on individual stickers. That's everything you get. Now you're also going to want some type of cleaning solution. I got Windex rubbing alcohol here. Use something to clean it, all the waxes and all that stuff, car cleaning stuff, all that off of the lights. Then you want to put some rubbing alcohol on, let it dry, then use that prep. So yeah, let's get to it. So this is the piece we're going to start with right here. We're just going to clean it off with some Windex, let it dry off, hit it with some rubbing alcohol, let that evaporate, and then we're good to go. Okay, let's come in here and spray our towel up here. We only want to get the light. Just clean it off. See all that dirt in there? You'll get that later, and I'll show you how with your microfiber towel and your applicator. But you do want to be aware that you want to get all those spots real nice and clean. Alright, we've cleaned it with the Windex. It's dried. Now we're going to hit it with rubbing alcohol, let that evaporate off, so we can move on to our final steps and then apply our tint. Now we'll let that evaporate off. Now that we've done our Windex, our rubbing alcohol, and we've let it evaporate off, we're going to move on with our prep spray that they included in the kit. Use the microfiber towel to clean off all around the paint, and then we'll apply the tint, and you'll be good to go. Just come in here and give it a nice spray. Get it all good. Then get our microfiber towel and wipe away. And get it real clean. This is your final step. Get it the best you can. Get your applicator piece and your microfiber towel. Put the piece inside the towel just like that. You can use it to get in there. Just like so. We'll see how it's happening. We'll open up our tint piece here. Now I believe, in my last kit anyway, they gave us a practice piece. So you should have an extra piece in your kit. Yep, looks like there's 3 pieces. So you can see right here, 1, 2, 3. And they're marked at the top, right there. So you have one extra one. So if you're not confident in yourself, it's nice that they include an extra. If you mess it up, it's all good. Okay, we've got our piece here. We're going to peel it off. And they're very durable. They can be placed and peeled off and replaced. But try to get it, well, see? It's okay if you make a little mistake like that. Now, try to get a good placement. Nice and straight. Looks pretty good on our first try right there. So now just work up at the top, down. Get a nice first press down. And you want to have some extra around the edges, and you want it to be even on all sides. That way you can fold over that little bit. That's going to be the key to making this look so good. Now that we've got a nice first layer pressed down, come in with your applicator and get a nice solid press work top to bottom and move across. Now you'll see for the top, there's a lot of room in the top piece. All you have to do is insert, and it's going to lay down real nicely. Make sure you get the little Mopar logo nice. Now you can worry about the edges on the corner. Roll like this, and get that bottom piece. Just stick your applicator in there and drag it along. Roll your corner on this side as well. Now that last piece right there is going to be a little tricky, but if you work it, you'll get it. Same on this side. If you work at it, you'll get it. There we go. First one's done. You guys tell me which one looks better. Tinted or not tinted. Definitely tinted. We've got one side done. We're going to move on to the other side, and then we'll go to the taillights. Okay, we just did the Windex clean on the passenger side. Let that dry off, hit it with the alcohol. Same process as before. We've let our rubbing alcohol evaporate. Now we've got our prep spray here and our microfiber towel. You know the drill. Spray it up. We've got our piece for our rear passenger right here. You can see, looks like we've got a nice line up there. I seem to have misplaced the applicator. It's not in there. I must have brought it inside. Hey, Allie. Got it. We found it. Okay, we're good to go. That one's done. That one's done. You guys tell me, what do you think? Looks a lot better, huh? I'm gonna move on to these guys on both sides. The first step is your Windex. Spray up our light. We're gonna do our rubbing alcohol. Okay, we got our alcohol on our paper towel here, and we're just gonna rub it in. Prep spray. Well, I thought the other camera was recording, but it wasn't. But you guys know how to lay this on. That's what it's looking like right now. You're gonna have a little end piece hanging over right here. We're gonna fold that in when we open up the trunk. But yeah, looks great. Here with our applicator piece and push everything down. Fold in our side piece. I was thinking you might need to open the trunk to get this piece, but looks like you got plenty of room just to fold it in like that. You will have a little bubble here. That's just the molding on the headlight. You can kind of go around it, but there you go. That one's done, that one's not. I think this one clearly looks better. I don't know, you tell me. Let's do this one next. Get a little rubbing alcohol next. And our prep spray finally. Here's our next piece. Looks like it's gonna go on just like that. We're getting our first layer down with our finger. You see you've got a little leftover piece there again, and our little bump in the molding there, and it looks like another little molding bump right there. So we'll come in with the applicator and get it pushed down, get around that corner. There we go, one side done. I think it looks really sweet. There you go, you can get the half and half. This side's finished, that side's not. What do you think looks better? We'll reach into our kit here, pull out the passenger side fender. This one comes with an extra. Our extra in this one was our passenger side trunk. Okay, we've got our fender side on. Get the applicator in that corner. There we go, one more piece and we're done. Okay, we'll grab our passenger side trunk piece, do that piece right there, and we're finished. Okay, you can see I've got a nice press down. We'll start using our fingers, get it laid down nice, follow it up with one final pass with the applicator, and we are completely finished. Remember, you're going to have a little bump there and a bump here. There's nothing you can do about that. Holding in the headlights, just like the Mopar logos down here. But that's it, guys. Well, there we go, guys. We're done. What do you think? Combined with that and the front up there, oh, it looks so much better. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this one. Finish the install. It's pretty simple. I think pretty much everybody could do it at home. If I can do it, you can do it. Really cool. It looks awesome. First thing you should get for your Challenger are these tint kits. Luxe Auto Concepts. I'll put the link in the description for all the goodies. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helps you install it. That's it. See you next time. Keep going fast.